Hello everyone. I just want to thank all of you for watching all my videos na ako ay nagtuturo ng math. Sana ay meron kayong mga natutunan. Ngayon, I was browsing my YouTube channel last night and I saw these problems. I got two problems here na kailangan kong sagutin. Okay, and I'm gonna be doing it right now. The first question was posted by Acel Berto 16 hours ago. So, ang sabi niya, use the piecewise function in the problem. A doctor's fee is based on the length of time. Up to 5 minutes cost 100 pesos. Over 5 minutes and up to 15 minutes cost 300 pesos. And over 15 minutes cost 300 pesos plus 20 pesos per minute above 15 minutes. So let's try to analyze this kind of problem. So ang sabi dito na yung doctor's fee depends on the length of time. O pwede kang magsulat ng function notation dito para kitang-kita mo. So kunyari yung fee daw ni doctor ay nakadepende sa length of time. Yung fee dyan ay doctor's fee. So, yung fee ay nakadepende sa haba ng oras. Diba? Length of time. Ang sabi dito, up to 5 minutes will cost 100 pesos. Ano muna yung up to 5 minutes? Ibig sabihin, it's either x is greater than 0, but x is less than or equal to 5. Diba? But how can we write that later on? As 1. So, parang ganito siya. X, dito ko lagay para kitang-kita nyo. X is greater than 0, but less than or equal to 5. Hindi nyo siya pwedeng basahin ng 0 is less than X because you are not describing the 0, you are describing the X. So you should always start describing X, not the 0. So X here is greater than 0, but less than or equal to 5. At magkano ang presyo dyan? 100 pesos. So, kunyari, yung X yung time. So, yung doctor naman ay, yung doctor's fee ay F. So, F of X. So, yung fee depends on the number of, or the length of time. So, meron tayong F of X. Okay? The first equation or function is 100 pesos. Yan daw yung bayad, 'di ba? Kay Mr. Doctor or Miss Doctor. Provided that the number of time or the length of time is x should be greater than 0 but less than or equal to 5. Okay, let's proceed to the next condition. Ang sabi dito, over 5 minutes and up to 15 minutes. O magkano ang presyo dyan? 300 pesos. Naka-fix naman sila kaya mabilis lang. So, 300 pesos daw. Kapag ang length of time ay hanggang 5 minutes hanggang 15 minutes. Okay? But how can we write that as an interval notation or as a set builder notation? So, x here, x is what? Greater than 5 minutes, but less than or equal to 15 minutes. That's how you would write that. Okay? And over 15 minutes, magkano daw? It will cost us 300 pesos plus 20 pesos per minute above 15 minutes. Above. Kasi nabayaran mo na yung 15 minutes na 300. So, 300 plus 20 pesos, diba? So, 20 pesos times x minus 15. Bakit ko sinubtract yung 15 minutes? Kasi nabayaran na siya dito. Okay? So, kailangan mo siyang isubtract. Para kunyari, kung ang nilagi mo ay 16 minutes, isusubtract mo lang 16 minus 1. So, yung excess, 16 minus 15 pala. Okay. So, 16 minus 15 is 1. So, 1 minute. So, 1 minute times 20 is still 20. Pag hindi mo siya sinubtract, ang mahal-mahal ang babayaran mo. Let's say, kunyari, hindi ko sinubtract yung 15. So, 20x lang siya. Let's say 16 yan, 16 minutes, 16 times 20, di 320 na. So, 320 plus 300, 620. So, lugi ka. Okay? So, kailangan mong subtract yung 15 minutes kasi nga bayad na sa pangalawang condition. Okay? Alright. So, let's just remove that. Okay. Para maayos. Okay. So, this would be our final answer for the given problem. Now, gusto kong i-maximize na rin to para pag may tanong kayo on how to graph it, alam niyo kung papaano. Okay? So, let's try doing the graphing portion. Okay. Gamit tayo ng ibang kulay para kitang-kita natin. Ay, hindi siya gaanong maganda. Sandali lamang po. Let's use blue. Okay. Galin natin yan. Okay. I-define natin yung ating mga axes. X-axis and your Y-axis. Okay? Yung X natin ay yung time. Diba time siya? And then yung ating Y-axis is yung fee, doctor's fee. You can write doctor's fee. Sorry sa pangit kong sulat ngayon. Okay, so ang sabi dito 0 to 15 minutes. So 0, let's say 5, 10, and then 15 minutes. Magkano yung mga presyo na nandito? 100 and 300. Let's say this is 100 pesos. And this should be in peso sign. Okay. And then 100, 200, and 300. Let's say that's your 300 pesos. Okay? So, ang sabi sa condition, if x is greater than 0, so mag-umpisa ka na sa 0, di ba? So, 0 is still 100. Pero gagamit ka dyan ng open hole. Kasi, hindi naman siya equal to 0. Greater than 0 lang naman siya. Pero pagka may equal sign yan, let's say x is greater or equal, gagamit ka ng solid dot. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kasama yung 0 sa ating domain restrictions. But then again, in our function, hindi siya kasama. So, hindi mo kailangan gawing solid yan. So, dapat naka-open lang siya whole. So, it's 100 hanggang 5 minutes, hindi ba? So, 5 minutes is still 100 pesos. Sige, connect natin yung dalawang points. There. Yan yung graph ng ating first condition. This one. Yung second condition naman natin, if x is greater than 5, so nasa 5 pa rin tayo, yung bayad pag greater than 5 ay 300 pesos. So, 300. Pero dito, again, it's still a whole. Whole siya. Kasi, hindi naman equal to 5. Okay? Hindi siya equal to 5. It's just greater than 5. Pagka greater or less than, naka-hollowed point lang siya. Okay? Yan ay 5 minutes hanggang 15 minutes. So, 15 minutes, ang bayad pa rin ay, of course, 300 pesos. Connect that. And the last condition, hindi ko pala nasulat yung last condition here. I'll just write it here below. X here is greater than 15 minutes. Kapag daw sumobra sa 15 minutes, it's 300 plus 20 times x minus 15. So, sa ganitong pagkakataon, we still need to start with 15. If I put 15 in here in x, so 15 minus 15 is 0, right? So, 0 times 20 is 0. So 0 plus 300 is still 300. So I'll use a different color para kitang-kita. I will make it whole kasi hindi naman kasama yun. Right? Ngayon, tumataas na siya as the number of minutes increases. But ganyan yung yung style. Bakit increasing? Kasi yung slope dito ay 20. And kapag ang slope ay positive, you would expect that the function is increasing. Pero pag negative yan, let's say minus 20 times x minus 15, decreasing naman siya. Parang ganito yung kalalabasan niya. But then again, the function is positive, so kailangan increasing siya. So let's try to find out if that's really correct. Let's say, you visited the doctor for ilang minuto gusto nyo? Let's say 17 minutes. Kung 17 yun, so 300 plus 20 times 17 minus 15. So, syempre, ano na to? 2, right? So, 2 times 20 is 40. So, 40 plus 300 is 340. So, if that's 300, it's somewhere here. Right? So, as you can see, it's really increasing. So, that's how you would graph the function. Okay? So, kung meron pa kayong tanong, just comment down below in the comment section. Ngayon, meron pang isang tanong dito. I just read it as well. I don't know if this is piecewise. I think this is not piecewise function. Kasi wala namang ibang conditions, hindi ba? Pero we will just try to answer it as well para sa karagdagang impormasyon din, no? This question was posted by Jobe Dizon. According to Dizon, Mr. Dizon or Miss Dizon, Judy is earning 300 pesos per day. Oops, asan na siya? Dali lang. Ayun. Lumaki lang siya. Pasensya na. Okay. Judy is earning 300 pesos daw per day, kada araw, for cleaning the house of Mrs. Perez and, ay may end siya, an additional 25 pesos kada oras for an hour of taking care of Mrs. Perez's child. So, sa madaling salita, meron na siyang fixed na 300 pesos sa paglilinis ng bahay the whole day. And aside from the 300 pesos, meron pa siyang makukuhang 25 pesos kada oras sa pag-aalaga sa anak ni Mrs. Perez. So, we want to express daw the total salary, which is in variable S. So, the total salary of Judy, including the time, which is in H, spent for taking care of the child. So, gagawa raw tayo ng function. Yung function ay yung salary ni Judy ay nakasalalay din sa haba ng oras sa pag-aalaga ng bata. So, the salary also depends on the number of hours taking care of the child. And that function would be S of H. And the answer would be, meron ka ng 300 na fixed income, hindi ba? Plus, meron ka pang 25 pesos kada oras. So, 25H. So, kunyari, nagtrabaho ka buong maghapon, naglinis ka ng bahay, and at the same time, you took care of Mrs. Perez's child for, let's say, H equals 5 hours. So, meron kang extra na 5. So, S of 5 is equal to 300 plus 25 times 5. Ano ba ang 25 times 5? It's 125. So, 300 plus 125 and you will get 425. Ibig sabihin, you will be paid 425 pesos for that day. Okay? So maraming salamat po sa mga nag-comment na ng kanilang mga questions. If you still have any question, please post it down below. So if I have time to answer them, I will do it for you. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.